Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase net worth in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So basically, there's two ways you can actually increase your net worth. Now what you want to do when you're in Monopoly Go is if you come down to the bottom, you want to click onto the build button down here, and basically every building that you make on your board, you can see this one. For example, you're going to increase your net worth by 1. So you can see it's now increased to 334, and of course if you go ahead and build something else every time, it's going to go up by 1. So you just built something else, you can see it's now gone up to 335. So the second way you can actually increase your net worth is by completing color sets on the board. So when you actually build properties, what it does, as you can see, is added houses to the different properties codes on the board. Now once you've gone ahead and completed a full set, so for example the yellow ones, you can see I've got 2 hotels, but once I go ahead and get 3 hotels, what happens is you get spin a wheel and you actually receive 3 levels. So it does increase your net worth by 3 full completing color sets too. So that's the 2 ways you can go about increasing your net worth in Monopoly Go. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.